spending 2 wonderful weeks sailing in Croatia. We had a great opportunity to get some valuable sailing experience, to meet the locals, and above all, we had a chance to explore the unique atmosphere of each island visited. So come with us. Velirat is located at the northern tip of an island called Dugi Otok, Long Island. We visited a nearby lighthouse, and after some relaxing, we were ready to set the sails. Even though the wind wasn't very strong, we had a great view on the rocky coast on the western side of the island. The plan was to head south, and on our way we visited towns like Sali or Trogir, where we found shelter for the night from strong wind called Bora. From there, our next goal was set on Skradin, a beautiful town located on a river. After exploring the atmosphere of the quaint streets at night, the course was set on the south, towards Trogir. The way from Skradin to Sibenik is surrounded by many beautiful rocks and cliffs. As we got closer to the bridge, it started to look a little scary. But we successfully managed to continue our journey without breaking a mast. And then we waved to Sibenik and its fortresses. It was a smooth sailing, but we had to alter our course a little to avoid collision with a boat steered by an autopilot. Then the wind picked up, and later on waves got higher. We were quite glad when we moored in Trogir safely, because just before entering the bay, we had a jammed general furlough. But luckily, everything was okay in the end, and we could enjoy the ancient atmosphere of this wonderful town, and a well-deserved dinner as well.